Welcome to this session on generating and analyzing a multi-level bill of materials or BOM in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to display the full hierarchical structure of a product's components from top-level assemblies to the smallest subcomponents. This report is essential for production planning, procurement, and engineering coordination, especially when working with complex manufactured goods. Using transaction CS12, you'll navigate to the correct reporting screen, input the necessary material and plant data, and select the appropriate BOM application for production use. You'll also learn how to read the BOM structure, interpret assembly indicators, and analyze how components are layered within a multi-level hierarchy. Let's consider how this plays out at a global manufacturer like Pepsi. Think about one of Pepsi's most recognizable products, a bottled soft drink. What may seem like a simple product is in reality a highly coordinated assembly of many components: bottles, caps, labels, concentrate, and even shipping trays. Each of these parts might have its own subcomponents and suppliers. For example, a plastic cap may include an inner seal and a printed outer shell, both sourced separately. A packaging engineer at a Pepsi plant in Egypt may use the multi-level BOM report to confirm all components required for a new promotional bottle. By reviewing the nested structure, the engineer can verify sub-assemblies like pre-labeled sleeves or multi-piece shipping kits are correctly defined. In another case, a production planner in Canada might use the same report to ensure the right versions of subcomponents are available in time for a scheduled production run. With a multi-level view, the team can quickly identify which parts are required, which are shared across products, and which need immediate procurement. Pepsi's ability to scale manufacturing across countries, maintain consistency in product quality, and avoid production delays depends on this kind of structured visibility. Now think about your role. Do you understand how to view all levels of a BOM in SAP? Could you identify dependencies between components or spot missing sub-assemblies before production begins? Let's dive in and see how the multi-level BOM report provides the clarity you need for better planning and decision making. To begin this process, let's navigate to the multi-level BOM report screen in SAP. This report is crucial for analyzing how materials and components are structured across various levels within a finished product. From the SAP Easy Access screen, follow this navigation path step by step. Logistics, production, master data, bills of material, reporting, BOM, explosion, material, BOM, multi-level, BOM. Each step in this path guides you deeper into SAP's bill of materials reporting tools, giving you access to the data required to manage production with precision. Alternatively, if you prefer using transaction codes for faster access, type CS12 into the command field and press enter. Transaction CS12 is SAP's standard tool used to display a multi-level bill of materials report. This report provides a complete exploded view of a product's components, including all assemblies and their respective subcomponents. Once the explode BOM, multi-level BOM, initial screen appears, you'll need to enter key data to generate the report. Start by entering the material number in the material field. This is the unique identifier for the finished product or top-level assembly you want to analyze. Next, in the plant field, enter the plant number, for example, 1000. This tells SAP which manufacturing location you're working with, ensuring that the BOM is accurate for that specific site. Then locate the BOM application field. Here, enter the number 4, which corresponds to the production BOM application. This setting ensures that SAP uses the correct version of the bill of materials, one that is structured for production purposes. After all the fields are correctly filled, click Execute to generate the report. Let's pause briefly to understand what the BOM application value actually controls. In SAP, the BOM application determines how the system interprets and processes the bill of materials. For example, some BOMs may be tailored for costing, while others are used specifically for production, engineering, or plant maintenance. By choosing the value 4, you are asking SAP to pull the version of the BOM that's used for real-world manufacturing and assembly. Once the report is generated, you'll be presented with a multi-level hierarchical structure of the components that make up the material. This screen is highly visual and shows you the relationships between the top-level material, its direct components, and any sub-assemblies that exist beneath those components. Take a moment to carefully review the structure. You'll notice that some components are listed under assemblies, while others are standalone materials. Each of these layers is known as a single level BOM, and together they form the complete multi-level BOM. In this example, you can see that the material includes 4 distinct single level BOM. This indicates that the top level product is made up of several assemblies, and each of those assemblies has its own list of subcomponents. The value of this structure lies in how it supports manufacturing planners, engineers, and supply chain teams. By understanding how materials are related and nested, teams can better plan for procurement, coordinate production runs, and ensure the availability of subcomponents when needed. This level of visibility is especially useful when working with complex products such as machinery, electronics, or modular assemblies, where the absence of even one subcomponent can delay the entire build. Before closing, take a few moments to scroll through the entire list. Look at the quantities, component descriptions, and indentation levels to fully understand the relationship between parts. Once your review is complete, click the Exit button to return to the SAP Easy Access screen. Great job completing this walkthrough on the multi-level BOM report in SAP. You've learned how to access the CS12 transaction, input the right parameters, and generate a hierarchical view of all components that make up a finished product. You've also seen how SAP visually presents assemblies and sub-assemblies, giving you a clear picture of material dependencies across every level. This report is more than a list. It's a map of your product structure. It helps teams in production, procurement, and engineering coordinate efforts, avoid shortages, and ensure every part is available when and where it's needed. Let's reflect back on Pepsi. From bottle cap sub-assemblies to shipping carton designs, every detail is managed through SAP BOMs. Multi-level reports allow teams to trace material requirements across plants, flag missing subcomponents before they impact production, and standardize builds across global manufacturing sites. In your own work, ask yourself, are you using multi-level BOM reports to their full potential? Could reviewing nested components help you catch supply chain gaps earlier? Is your team aligned on how sub-assemblies feed into final products? With this knowledge, you're now ready to explore, interpret, and apply SAP's multi-level BOM tools to make smarter, more efficient planning decisions. Keep building that confidence, one component at a time.